The ruins of the Bangalore Fort, Bengaluru, India. Presented by Holidays on Shoestrings. Amid the hustle and bustle of KR Market, you'll find the still majestic remains of the 16th century Bangalore Fort. It may be one of the city's oldest monuments, but very few actually visit it. Part of the busy KR Market area, what remains of the Bangalore Fort might not wow you with its architectural finis, but you sure do get a glimpse of the city's origins, and that is worth a trip to explore another side of Bangalore, we think. Bangalore Fort began in 1537 as a mud fort built by Kempe Gowda I, the founder of Bangalore. In 1761, Hyder Ali replaced the mud fort with a stone fort, and it was further improved by his son, Tipu Sultan, in the late 18th century. Bangalore Fort had a peta, or fortified town, outside it. This layout was a feature of almost all the cities and settlements in India, the fort providing a place of refuge for most of the inhabitants if the peta was in danger of capture. The fort at Bangalore had a perimeter of about 1 mile. It was of solid masonry, surrounded by a wide ditch which was commanded from 26 towers placed at intervals along the ramparts. To its north lay the Peta, several miles in circumference and protected by a deep belt of thorn and cactus and a small ditch. When the British marched in during the Anglo-Mysore War in 1791, they destroyed much of the fort, but still remains a good example of 18th century military fortification. Today, you can walk in through the Delhi gate that's marked by giant doors with scary spikes and elegant stucco carvings, large enough to easily allow even elephants to traverse through it. That and 2 bastions are the only remains of the fort and has been declared a protected monument by the Archaeological Survey of India. Inside, you can catch a glimpse of an abandoned temple, gun holes where soldiers used to station themselves, and even the plaque that heralds the British conquest of the fort at the spot where they breached the walls leading to its capture. The old fort once also included Tipu Sultan's summer palace and his armory. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell your friends about it.